Hi guys, it's Maddie and it's Peyton and Maddie. The theme song, it's kind of like that. So, today we're going to be
Maddie. I really feel like I'm going to sneeze.
Okay, then sneeze. Ew, what's that stuff?
Well, it's not snot, it's slime.
Yep. Today we're going to be doing a slime video. Normally we said that we were going to do challenges, but I guess not.
So sticky.
Hold on, I have to set up the camera real quick. Today we are going to be doing slime. Super sticky slime. And now let's get it out. Don't get it all over me.
I'm not trying to.
Okay, that should be good. Okay, so, hold on, just wait. We'll be right back when we get this cleaned up. So we got it cleaned up a little bit.
Yeah,
so,
a little.
Yeah, so it's super like sticky and stuff, but
I'm not going to mess with it anymore because I got it all over my
well, not all over, just a little bit on her hands. And
it's really sticky.
On Etsy here in a couple of weeks, I'm gonna be having like this like slime thing where I sell slime, but it's definitely not gonna be this sticky. Yeah. This is just one that I loved. Like this is just if I want to make it like a mess, and then I'll clean it up.
Yeah, I make slime to like at my house, like.
But normally my slimes aren't like sticky. This is one of them that I liked. Watch. Woo! I like doing challenges. Which finger will get up highest?
Yeah, I like doing that too. Well,
it was this one. Yep, and it got up to like really super high.
It wasn't as high, but kind of high.
And it is stretchy. If you go like this super fast, it won't stick. What? Sure. And we do have another one too.
I'll get it, and I'm not messing with the green one because they're really sticky.
That one's sticky too. Just like this one.
Aww.
I do have more slime upstairs if you want to go grab it. There's this UGG box. Peyton went upstairs to go get my other slimes, so we'll be back. Here we go. So this is the slime that she has. Wait, hold on. My other one is oozing out. We decided to make slime, so what we're going to do is we're just going to hurry up, get our soap in here, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we poured this much in, and we'll be right back once we put 2 pinches of salt. Exactly 2 pinches. And what we're going to do is we're just going to add a little bit of this green slime into here just to make color. We'll be right back. So we made it to that green color, and if it's like it should like be like kind of like slime. She ate a pinch of salt. It should be kind of like slime, maybe more watery. But if it's super watery like ours, then you're gonna definitely want to add more soap. So we'll be right back when that happens. You also want your soap to be jiggly and also be the consistency of just a little bit of slime, just sticky slime. So we'll be right back when it's mixed in. So I'm just mixing some more of my slime in because it was really watery and the soap didn't help. So this should be the consistency of your ooze right now. This is what it is. This is what ooze is. But we'll show you what slime is here in a second. So add 2 pinches of salt to begin. We're not going to make slime, we're just going to make ooze. This is what ooze is. It's really watery when you just do this. And it's also really sticky. So, probably going to want a towel on. But when you stir it really fast, it should clump together like slime.
Just an FYI, do not just eat plain salt. It tastes absolutely disgusting.
And if you also add just half a pinch in, it might make this slime watery. So let's only add a quarter. We'll be right back when that's done. Oh wait, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is ooze. It should clump together just like slime when you stir it really fast.
Well, like when she was like
this is pajama syrup. So this should look just like slime when you mix it. Hold on. And then when it's watery, it should be like that. Okay, let's go.
Okay. When she was like messing with it when we were off camera, like it looked like
super sticky.
Snot. Like sinus and like a sinus infection.
This is also super sticky.
Yes.
So the next couple of videos So the last couple of videos, I've been talking way too much.
Yes, she has.
I know. And so the next video that we do, which is going to be tonight, obviously, because we've done all of our videos tonight, I'm going to talk a lot less. And I can only say up to 5 sentences. Bye, everybody. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Woo!